Stop saying, I am agree with you. Americans never say this. Say, I agree with you. No am, just I agree. If you keep saying I am agree, people know you're still translating in your head.
And if you say, how I can help you instead of how can I help you, you sound like you're reading from a textbook. Americans flip it. How can I help you? Not how I can.
These small mistakes happen every single day in real conversations, and today we're fixing them. Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We're here to help you speak natural, confident American English in your daily life.
Not textbook English, not formal grammar lessons, real English that Americans actually use.
Today, we're diving into daily life conversations, the kind you have at the coffee shop, at work, with friends, at the store.
Because here's the truth, you don't need perfect grammar. You need phrases that sound natural, and that's what we're teaching you today.
If you want to practice real American English with us every week, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get you speaking like a native.
All right, Mike, let's start with the biggest mistake I hear from learners.
What's that?
They say, I am agree, or I am like this movie. They're adding am everywhere.
Oh, yes, I hear this all the time. I am agree with you. I am like coffee.
Right. But in American English, we don't say that. We say, I agree with you. No am, just I agree.
Exactly. I like coffee, not I am like coffee.
Here's why this happens. In some languages, you need a helping verb before every verb, so learners think they need am in English too.
But in English, most verbs don't need am or is or are. You just use the verb.
Let me give you some examples. I agree with you. I like this idea. I want to go home.
I think you're right. I understand. I need help.
See? No am, just the verb.
Now, when do we use am? Only with ing verbs or adjectives.
Right. I am working. I am tired. I am happy.
But I agree, no am. I like, no am.
Let's practice. Sarah, do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree with you.
Perfect. Not I am agree, just I agree.
Your turn. Say it with us. I agree with you. Good. Now let's try another one. I like this plan.
I like this plan. Say it with us.
Awesome. Now here's another super common mistake.
Questions. Learners mess up question word order constantly.
Yes, they say how I can help you or where you are going.
But Americans say, how can I help you? And where are you going?
The rule is simple. In questions, the helping verb comes before I or you.
So it's can I, not I can. Are you, not you are.
Let me show you. Wrong way. What you want to eat.
Right way. What do you want to eat?
Wrong way. When you are leaving.
Right way. When are you leaving?
See the pattern? The verb flips.
Let's practice some real-life questions. At a restaurant, you want to ask what someone wants. What do you say?
What do you want to order?
Perfect. Not what you want to order. It's what do you want to order?
At work, someone looks busy. You want to ask if you can help. What do you say?
How can I help you?
Yes. How can I help you? This is so common in American stores and offices.
Every store employee says this. Hi, how can I help you?
Not how I can help you, it's how can I help you?
Say it with us. How can I help you?
Great job. Now here's another daily life phrase you need.
When you want to suggest something, Americans say, why don't we? Or how about we?
Not why we don't or how about.
Let me give you examples. Why don't we grab coffee? Why don't we take a break?
How about we meet at 6? How about we try that new restaurant?
These are super friendly, casual suggestions.
You use them with friends, coworkers, family.
Let's practice. You want to suggest getting lunch with your friend. What do you say?
Why don't we get lunch together?
Perfect. Or you could say, how about we get lunch?
Both sound natural. Both are American.
Your coworker looks stressed. You want to suggest a break. What do you say?
Why don't we take a 5-minute break?
Excellent. That sounds caring and natural.
Now, let's talk about responding to people.
Yes, because learners often say, yes, I do, or no, I don't, when Americans would just say, yeah, or nope.
Right. In casual conversation, Americans keep it short.
Someone asks, do you want coffee? You can say, yeah, sure, or yeah, I'd love some.
Not yes, I do want coffee. That sounds robotic.
Or if you don't want it, just say, no thanks, or I'm good, thanks.
I'm good is such an American phrase.
It means, no, I don't need it. Do you want more water? I'm good, thanks.
Let's practice. I ask you, do you want to sit down?
Yeah, sure.
Natural, not yes, I do, just yeah, sure.
Or, yeah, that'd be great.
Perfect. Now I ask, do you need help with that?
I'm good, thanks.
So American, so natural.
Say it with us. I'm good, thanks.
Awesome. Now here's something Americans say constantly.
Let me know.
Yes, this is everywhere in daily life.
Let me know if you need anything. Let me know what you think. Let me know when you're free.
It's friendly, it's casual, it shows you care.
At work, you might say, let me know if you have any questions.
With friends, let me know when you get home.
At a store, let me know if you need a different size.
It's so useful.
Let's practice. Your friend is thinking about what movie to watch. What do you say?
Let me know what you decide.
Perfect. Or let me know what you want to watch.
Your coworker is working on something. You want to offer help. What do you say?
Let me know if you need help.
Yes, that's exactly what Americans say.
Say it with us. Let me know if you need help.
Great. Now let's put this all together with a real conversation.
I'll be the learner making mistakes. You correct me.
Okay, let's try. Imagine we're at work.
I am agree with your idea.
Almost. Try I agree with your idea. No am.
Oh, right. I agree with your idea.
Perfect. That sounds natural.
How I can help you with the project.
Close. Flip it. How can I help you with the project?
How can I help you with the project?
Yes, you got it.
Maybe why we don't have a meeting?
Good try. Say, why don't we have a meeting?
Why don't we have a meeting?
Excellent. That's exactly right.
Okay, let me know if you are needing something.
Almost perfect. Just say, let me know if you need anything. Keep it simple.
Let me know if you need anything.
Beautiful. Now you sound like a native speaker.
See how much better that sounds?
Every correction makes you sound more American, more natural.
And these are phrases you'll use every single day.
At work, with friends, at the store, everywhere.
Let's do one more quick practice. I'll say a situation, you give me the American phrase.
Ready?
Your friend asks if you like their new haircut. You love it. What do you say?
I love it.
Good. Not I am love it, just I love it.
Your coworker is going on vacation. You want to know where. What do you ask?
Where are you going?
Perfect. Not where you are going, it's where are you going.
You're at a restaurant. You want them to tell you their choice. What do you say?
Let me know what you pick.
Excellent. Or let me know where you want to go.
You're at a coffee shop. You want to suggest getting a table. What do you say?
Why don't we grab that table?
Yes, so natural.
All right, let's recap the key phrases we learned today.
Number 1, I agree with you, not I am agree.
Number 2, how can I help you, not how I can help you.
Number 3, why don't we for suggestions, like why don't we take a break?
Number 4, I'm good, thanks, when you don't need something.
Number 5, let me know to stay connected. Let me know if you need anything.
These 5 phrases will help you every single day.
Practice them, use them, make them automatic.
You know what? You did amazing today.
You're already speaking better English than when we started.
And that's the goal. Small improvements every day.
Before you go, we have homework for you.
In the comments, write one sentence using let me know.
For example, let me know if you liked this video or let me know what topic you want next.
We read every comment and we'll correct you if you need help.
Also, if this video helped you, hit that like button.
And subscribe to Speaklio English so you can keep practicing with us every week.
We're here to help you speak confident, natural American English.
No more textbook phrases. No more sounding like a robot.
Just real English for real life.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for learning with Speaklio English.
See you next time.